That's a grass cutter on the back of the tractor, who's basically mowing the lawn with the tractor. And it's all thanks to me, because I went to the tractor place to buy a new part for the grass cutter. So you can say, you know, that I've cut the lawn today. Mowing the grass. He nearly got stuck in a hole earlier because the wild boar had been making giant holes in the ground, and there was a mega storm yesterday. Wow, some trees went down and everything, and the ground is all a bit soggy, but he's having a wonderful time there on the tractor.